Right, when I do reviews on my YouTube channel, I like to actually show tools that I use in the workshop, tools that I think are the best or the best equipment. And a few weeks ago I did a video on this loop set, this magnifier. I thought this was the best magnifier option available for the type of close work that I do. It's great for watchmaking and like very close jewellery work or anything really that involves magnifying glasses. You can put it on your head and leave it on there. You can swivel these up out of the way when not in use. And I did actually think that this set here was the best for what I needed. Then I read several comments below that video, and someone said down there that why don't you get yourself an Optivisor? And I never knew such a thing existed, and so I started to look through the various Optivisors online, and this one really struck out. I could see that it was made by the same company, I would think, as this set here, and it has several traits that would indicate that. And when I actually got this set through, I was totally amazed at the quality, the ease of use, and just in general the way they've been made. Now, I do like this set, and it's very good, like I say, for very close-up work, but I found that you have to bring the item very close up to the lenses to actually see the magnification of what you're magnifying. This set here is completely different in that it has a couple of lenses that are obviously joined together. It's just one lens, the visor part, and you don't have to have the work very close to the actual lenses to see the magnification. And the other thing that I really like about this set is that I can actually wear my spectacles using this set. And I showed in that video with this set that this one has lenses which you fix to the front, and it does come with several lenses, and this also comes with several lenses in a box. So there's 5 different magnification lenses, and they clip in very easily to the actual hinged visor part, so they're really nice and easy to use. And again, with this set here, you can actually flip the visor lens up out of the way when not in use. And not only that, the Optivisor has a very good level of adjustment on this hinged part here. And it's very easy to adjust and get right so that the nose part actually sits on your nose nicely, and it feels really comfortable. This loop has the battery compartment on the right hand side there, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. This also takes 3 AAA batteries, but the battery compartment in the front here, just push down that little lever there, and this makes the visor much more balanced than the other set, and much more comfortable to actually wear. And obviously, not having the box on the side of this one, there's nothing on the right hand side to actually get in the way. This one had the individual LEDs for each lens, which is very good, but this has a twin LED light on the front there, and just push the switch forward. It's very positive and nice to use, clicks well on and off. Plus, like the other loop, the LED light can actually be swiveled up somewhat into various different positions. You can actually feel it clicking through those positions, so it actually stays where it's put on whatever you're working on. The box set of magnifiers that go on the front of this one contain magnification of 1 times, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3.5. And that's why this one has excellent magnification for actually working on something, and you don't have to actually bring the component or whatever you're working on up close to the lens like you do on this one. And on the box for the Optivisor, with the magnification specifications there, it actually gives the field of view in millimetre for each lens. The Optivisor is made of good quality ABS plastic, rubber and steel like the other loop, and it has various different parts on it, which does actually make it look like it's been made by the same company or whatever. And the Optivisor again comes with an excellent instruction paper with diagrams, which is written in good English and Chinese on the back. It also comes with a nice microfiber cleaning cloth, which is very good for these lenses and it doesn't scratch them. And on the side of this one, on the actual arms here, there's a button which can be depressed. I always take the lens off so it doesn't actually fall off if you're doing this. Sometimes it can be a bit tight to actually get these off, but you press the button there at the back there with your nail as far as you can and then pull the arm out, and they provide an elastic headband which will actually click in place where that arm came out, and it's a nice positive click. So if you prefer having a headband, then you can have that one. And in use, the lenses actually click into that the front part very nice and positively. They won't fall out in use. They're very good. And I did have a set many years ago, and they had quite big lenses on that set, and a very crude plastic headband which was very uncomfortable to wear. But this is something totally different. So I'm really pleased that someone pointed me in the direction of these Optivisors. They're absolutely brilliant. I'm very pleased that I actually bought this set as well. They're so low cost. I think this set here is roughly the same price. They're around £10 or under. And they're very well worth it. I bought 2 sets of these and 2 of these. I think they're absolutely fantastic units and absolutely brilliant for the engineer's workshop. And just to give you some idea of what they look like when they're on, I'll do a few pictures of myself wearing them looking at a red matchstick.